everybody knows I came to the United States at the age of 12, gained my citizenship at the age of 17, and I am an elected representative in the House of Congress, and so the House of Representatives in Congress. And so for me, I look at it as a display of his ignorance, and I see it as a national embarrassment that he continues to say those kind of things, even though he does know what the truth is.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Ilhan Omar finally responds to US President Donald Trump for alleging that she married her brother, you guys, and she speaks out for the very first time after the White House reportedly released marriage certificate of her and her brother rather, who was from Somalia at the time. So she married him so that he could get American citizenship, and it is said that later they divorced and then she remarried her husband. Now she claps back saying that Donald Trump is stupid. Basically, she said that because she states that everybody knows that she came into the USA at the age of 12 years old, and that basically she has earned her citizenship in the country. Guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. You guys, there are a lot of American citizens who have gone to TikTok, of course, to express that they no longer want Somalis in the state of Minnesota. And Ilhan Omar, of course, says that the United States is a country for all, including Somali who were born in the country. What do you think about this? Engage your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course to share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever we try to upload a new video.